This is a very easy dessert to learn how to make if you're just learning how to cook, but it's also very impressive. It has a smooth and creamy texture if you want to use it as lime mousse, or if you wanted to pour it into a graham cracker pie crust and freeze it, it would be great as a lime pie also. So for ingredients, we have 8 ounces of heavy whipping cream, a can of sweetened condensed milk, and a half a cup of lime juice. I first start by putting the whipping cream into a bowl, a deep dish bowl, and then I am just going to whip that on high until it has soft peaks that form. And I usually put a towel over top of it so that it won't get all over my walls or my cabinets, because it will splatter. But you need to make sure that you don't let it whip too long or you'll make butter. Add the 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk and then a half a cup of lime juice. Now you could use the juice from fresh limes, but I didn't have any, and this worked out really well. And it was a lot easier. This is a recipe that they use a lot in Brazil, only they use canned cream. And I'll try to get a picture of that for you the next time I go to the grocery store. It's found in the Latin section or by the sweetened condensed milk. But when I've made it with that before, I could never get it to set up nice or get a nice texture on it. I really liked it with the heavy whipping cream this time. It had a nice velvety texture to it, and it was just a really nice dessert for as simple as it was to make. So now I am just mixing everything well together with the hand mixer. And then I will pour it into plastic cups, or you could put it into dishes, and then you can either store it in the refrigerator or the freezer. You can even serve it frozen if you'd like, or defrost it on the counter first or in the microwave before serving. Let this set up in the refrigerator for a couple of hours. You could garnish with a little piece of a lime slice or a sprig of mint before serving, or a small dollop of whipped cream. And then you have a delicious lime-flavored mousse for dessert. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.